Hello everybody, this is Bahar and welcome to another English lesson with me. Today's video is about how you can speak more like a native speaker only by changing few sentences. There are so many common sentences that we are using over and over again. And if you want to keep using these kind of sentences, it might get boring sometimes. So why don't we replace these general and ordinary sentences with more advanced phrases? Alright, so if you're willing to learn this lesson, keep watching this video. Also, if this video is helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video because it would help me so much to improve my channel and my videos. Okay, let's get it started. Or in the other word, let's watch it, learn it. The first phrase which we use so many times, especially in the beginning of the day, is good morning. Well, instead of that sentence, you can say rise and shine, rise and shine, or morning sleepyhead, morning sleepyhead. And instead of saying good morning to children, you can tell them wakey wakey eggs and bakey, wakey wakey eggs and bakey.
Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bakey.
Rise and shine!
On the other side, if you want to say good night before you go to bed, instead of saying this sentence, it is better to say sweet dreams, sweet dreams, or sleep tight, sleep tight. Also, you can say sleep well, sleep well.
Sleep tight.
Sweet dreams.
The third sentence, which is so common, is let's see each other. Are you that kind of person that every time you want to meet your friends, you will tell them, let's see each other? If the answer is yes, you have to replace it with these sentences like, let's hang out, let's hang out, or let's get together, let's get together. It means let's meet each other and have some fun.
Let's hang out.
The next sentence is about when you miss someone and you want to meet them as soon as possible. Well, instead of saying I miss you, you can tell them I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Or I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again. These sentences are much more common if you want to look more like a native speaker. So try to memorize these sentences.
I wish you were here.
Can't wait to see you again.
And sentence number 5. I am very happy. Of course, there are so many synonyms for this sentence, like I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I am so thrilled. I am so thrilled. Or I'm on the top of the world. I am on the top of the world. And in another way, you can say, I am delighted. I am delighted.
I am thrilled!
Oh, I'm over the moon.
Let's move on to the next sentence. When you hope that everything goes well for someone, instead of telling them good luck, it is better to say break a leg, break a leg, or best wishes for you, best wishes for you. Plus, you can tell them fingers crossed, fingers crossed. To cross one's fingers is a hand gesture which is commonly used to wish for luck.
Break a leg.
Break a leg.
Oh, best wishes.
The next sentence is I am not interested in swimming. This is another normal and ordinary sentence that we may use it 1,000 times in a day. Well, instead of that, you can say swimming is not my cup of tea. Swimming is not my cup of tea. Or I am not into swimming. I am not into swimming, which means I don't like swimming. I would prefer to do something else.
Okay, I'm not really into games.
Not really my cup of tea.
The next one is actually so much common, especially when you're at work or there are so many stuffs to do. Well, in this kind of situations, instead of saying I am very busy, you can tell them I am swamped. I am swamped. Or I am fully booked up. I am fully booked up. Or I am all booked up.
Now, outsies, I'm swamped.
Okay, let's continue with another sentence. In some exciting or unique moments, you might say, that is amazing, or that is wonderful, which is kind of common, so it is better to say, that is lit. That is lit, or that is intense. That is intense. These sentences are exactly the synonym for that is amazing or that is wonderful.
Oh, that's intense.
The next lesson that we are going to talk about is not a sentence, it is an adverb. And the adverb is rarely. For example, I rarely play games. Well, in these situations, isn't it better to use other ways instead of this adverb of frequency? For example, you can say once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. For an example, once in a blue moon I play video games, which it means I don't play video games very often.
Just once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon, people will surprise you.
Okay everyone, that was it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends so they will learn this lesson as you did. And comment down below about one of these advanced phrases that you have used before watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.